welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna make this type of animation where our plane goes to the left, and it's kind of really cool animation. Let's go through the process and stay tuned till the end. So you're gonna click on videos, and you're gonna click on the landscape one. And then what you're gonna do is that I'm gonna click on my uploads. I already have this mic ready needed. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on text. You're gonna add a heading, and I'm gonna write Hawaii like this. I'm gonna change my color to white. I'm gonna do all caps, and I'm gonna change my font to ancient like this. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna set it to center. I'm gonna add an effect or lift, like it gives some alive view and good vibes. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click on share, download like this. And yep, I forgot. Just, click on Peng or JPEG. I'm just gonna click on JPEG because it's gonna suggest you a MP4 video format, to just change it to JPEG. And I'm just gonna download it. And then I'm gonna go on my uploads. I'm gonna take this image right here, and I'm gonna delete this work. I'm gonna just upload this as my background like this. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a real plane. I'm going to go in the graphics panel. I'm going to take this one right here. You're going to rotate it like 90 degrees. Alright. And then I'm just going to, set it and move it to the left corner. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a square like this. I'm just going to go in like it's in the front view. Just click on it and pick a high contrast color. Like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this color right here, this yellow. Like it's my edited color, it's not gonna be over here. You're gonna make it like this bright color. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna make its size this much big like this. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just take another rectangle with the same color like this one. I'm gonna make it like this. I'm gonna rotate it, and I'm gonna just fill these wings like this. Alright. I'm gonna make another duplicate by clicking on Alt. I'm gonna drag it like this. Alright, it's looking perfect. Alright, just a little bit more over there. Like you're gonna just fill your image like this. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna like make a group of them, and you're gonna send them back like this. Now you're gonna group these two together, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna move them a little bit back. I'm gonna just increase the size of this triangle for later. And I'm gonna just select them all again, and I'm gonna group it again. And I'm gonna move them like this back. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna search. I'm gonna go with text, and I'm gonna add a text box. I'm gonna write travel. I'm gonna increase the size. I'm gonna make it capital T. Like this. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna find a perfect font for this one. I'm gonna search for a font named Yellowtail. This one right here. I'm gonna resize it a bit. I'm gonna just make it perfect like this. I'm gonna make it to the center. I'm gonna add some effects to it, like add a little color maybe to give it a good retouch. Alright, it's not bad. I'm gonna create a little nice like that. Alright. It's kind of pretty cool. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna make it 2 seconds for my timeline. I'm gonna make another duplicate like this, and I'm gonna move it ahead of the timeline, and I'm gonna change its name. I'm gonna change this name to like this, and I'm gonna add an animation to it, like something like this much. I like this. Okay, this is nice. And on enter. And for this also, I'm gonna do the same thing. But animate, I'm gonna add this block, and I'm gonna click on enter. Let's preview our animation. Alright, looking nice. Just the only problem is I don't feel like it's in the center. I'm just gonna fix this. Alright, now that's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna make another duplicate of this page. Control D, or you could also go over here and duplicate page, and the shortcut is Control D. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna delete the text, and this time I'm gonna move my airplane to over here like this. And I'm just gonna add an effect between it of match and move, decrease the amount of speed in it, and like add some smoothness in my animation like this, and I'm just gonna do something like this. Now let's preview it. Isn't it cool? So let's preview it. So hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. And don't forget to comment how you loved it, and even give me some more ideas for the next video. I would really appreciate if you could support me on Facebook. This is my account, Engaged Designers. Here I design different kinds of posts, logos, and many type of illustrations. So please check that out, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook.